Hi, this is Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and how to kill a kit with style. If you look down below, you'll see names and links to a whole bunch of others that are doing how to kill a kit with style this month, and you will be able to get loads of inspiration. I am going to scrap that picture there, my granddaughter Reagan, and she's actually at the Mississippi River at Cape Girardeau, and it's a boat dock. And of course, they had to go wading. and I'm not sure why her hands are up there in the air. So I am going to put a journaling card on the layout so she can put down what she was thinking about when she was putting her hands up in the air. I am about done with this kit. I think I have one more layout that I have to do a voiceover on, and that's it. I'll be done. They won't be uploaded. No, they won't be uploaded, but it will be done. They're all sitting there waiting, trying to get uploaded, but so far I'm not having a whole lot of luck with my internet or my router or something. I think both. But yeah, I am using scraps, and I will gut that piece of paper because I thought, I don't know if I'm going to need it or not, because that's the only piece I have of that. Well, scrap piece I have of that, because there is, like, you can see it over there. It's not a whole piece, and I thought I might need it, so I am going to gut it. I mounted it on white and then that blue, and that blue matches the blue in that plaid looking paper. And I'm going to dig through here and get scraps. And see that paper there? It has whales on it. So I was looking through my pictures to find something that could have fish. I'm counting it as a fish, even though I know it's a mammal. I did trim these both to the same size so I can make it look like it's going all the way down the page and behind the picture and back out. It looks kind of plain there, so I put that there and I thought, oh, it still looks kind of plain. I need to add a few more papers, so I am going to add some more. And they're just going to be scraps. I'm not going to add nothing very big, but just add some more color and variety to the layout. She does have blue on. Let me get my layout over here. Her pants are black, but her shirt is a blue stripe. And I am thinking maybe that's Monster High on her shirt. I am not sure. This has been a few years back. I think I scrapbooked like a couple of pictures from that day, but not very many. And there's several that I could scrap. See this piece here? It don't look like much, but I am going to manage to use it on my layout. It's going to just go over there at the edge. It's the same colors that's in those flowers, and I thought I would just go ahead and add it. And then the journaling piece I'm going to get almost matches that. It's got a pink color, and it looks just like a lighter shade. It's not quite the same, but it's really close. It's close enough that I went ahead and used it on the layout. And look at me. I'm just going to put that whole doily down, which is surprising. Usually I cut them in half. But since this one was bigger and it could be seen at the top and the bottom, rather than add another piece of scrap paper, I decided I'd just put the whole thing on there. I am going to actually use a few more of these stickers. This will be the third layout I've used these stickers on. And I'm really wiping out that package. It's the front and the back. I am wiping it out. There's some that I don't never get to use, but I might get to use them soon. That bottom right hand corner, it says I love right now, because I know they had fun that day. I wasn't with them. They went over for a dentist appointment, and it was their mom and her grandma, and they had a pretty good time that day. They figured might as well make a day of it since they had to drive very far. Well, I think he is an oral surgeon, not actually a dentist. And they will go back later to get oral surgery on Charlie's mouth. Oh, see me put that arrow on there? I was getting worried I wasn't going to get it up. It was stuck pretty good, but I moved it over. And I like that better. let's see. I'm trying to remember what I did next. This was a couple of weeks ago. Oh, I'm going to put my title on, and it's just plain fun. And you will see me put the exclamation point on there, and it stays that way all through my pictures until I start doing this voiceover. And, well, the editing part, I did cut out some stuff where I walked away. Of course, I do that a lot. And you won't have to just look at the layout laying there with nothing happening. But see how close it is? I am going to move it over a little bit. You won't see it, but just know it's moved over just a hair. Enough where it don't look so crowded. This is that one that I cut the chunk out on another layout. I'm not sure what order these are going to go up, but that's what that's from. I nestled it behind a flower behind the picture, and there was foam tape there, so I cut a chunk out of it. And this banner, it says "Life is Sweet." And look how good I am using these Amy Tan stickers. I am just so proud of myself. I've had them so long, and I've looked at them, and I like them. I mean, it's not that I don't like them. I just don't like clear ones that well. I am learning to like them because I had quite a few in my stash, and I am putting them on the layouts because, you know, I bought the stuff. It needs used. And like I said, I like the stickers. I just don't like the clear. And I figured it's going to go in a, this is what I told myself when I decided I was going to use them. It's going to go in a plastic sleeve. How noticeable is that plastic clear stuff that's a sticker? Is going how noticeable is that going to be once I get it in there? We'll find out. I'll let y'all know when I get these in a album. I don't think I pull anything else off of here. No, I probably don't, because I am digging and trying to find something else to put on there. I am not going to use that yellow sticker, even though it's laying over there like I'm going to. I'm going to end up pulling out, well, it's a, yeah, there it is. It was from one of the Amy Tan papers, and I don't know if it actually made it in this kit. It might have last month, but I must have saved the branding strip because that is from the branding strip, and the collection was Oh Happy Life. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out and use it on this layout. The colors match. I put a staple on each end because I like staples on my layout. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good with that camera that I didn't care for after I put it on the green on another layout. But I like it better here. I'm adding some of those little flowers, and I did cut them out on another layout. I just did not use them all. And there's my journaling strip. It comes in a package, and I think, I'm trying to remember what the name of it was. It's an older brand. I've had them a long time and haven't used them, but I thought if I put them over here where they're handy, I might use them. And I've used probably 3 or 4 now. So if they're right there, you might use them. I'm saying might because I've got lots of stuff right beside me that I haven't used. The whole idea of putting it there was to use it. And see right there along the side of where I'm working, there's that heart punch, and then I got Nouveau drops, and I've got the ABC Martha Stewart's. And I've got them right there, so I'll be sure and use them. But the Nouveau drops aren't doing very well at all. But that's it. That's my layout. Be sure to check out the other gals below. Loads and loads of inspiration and such a variety of collections that they'll be using. And oh, I forgot to mention, they will be using their April kits. I am using my April kit. I am scrapbooking with it. However, this is from my March kit. Yeah, I did the layout, and I was so far behind on uploads because of my internet that it did not get uploaded. But I am still working on it. So it's hopefully going up. Anyway, this is my layout, and I really appreciate y'all taking the time to stop and watch my video. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. It might be a while. And then it might be tomorrow. Who knows? Anyway, fingers crossed. And if you like the video and hit thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so very much. But I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week and loads of internet time. And I hope y'all take care and be safe. Bye.